Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first video in my channel, consider subscribe and bell button so that you won't miss my any other videos. Today's video is about how to send large file and APK or big videos in WhatsApp. Let's begin the video, guys. Get into the video, guys. Before starting the video, we need a third-party app which is available in Play Store. Just go to Play Store and type for WHATSTOOLS. This will be the first one. If you don't get this, I will link in this description. Just tap on it. It will be directly redirecting here. This will be the app. Just install it. Just accept. Just wait for some time. It will be installing. This is the best method for sending big apps and folders like apps. Also, you can send more apps or everything. You can send in this. Just open after installed. Just skip this. Get start. Sign in with Gmail. Signing with this. Just allow it. After it will be connecting to server. Just tap on this and I'm going to send hotspot shield, share, WhatsApp. I'm going to send this here. See, link is sent. Let's see, it will be processing, it will be converting. It will be converting to Gmail. Let's wait for some time. I'm going to skip this process. See, guys, it's in sent. I skipped that process, so it will be faster. See, it will be came from downloads to send. See, it's 30 MB only. Just download it faster. And don't forget to follow my Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, which is in description. Just tap on it so that you can follow or add me as friend. And don't forget to subscribe and bell button so that you won't miss my any other videos. Thanks for watching my video, guys.